Hey, what's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to do a quick review of the URO Parts brake pad sensors. These are the fronts. Already put the rears onto my wife's Q7. I'm guessing these are German and or Volkswagen or anything like that parts. They were great fits. Like I said, put the rears on. Ordered the fronts as well because eventually the fronts will go. So I figured I'd just order them, the four as a set. But I just really wanted to give you guys a look and so you guys can see these are the correct ones. These are the sensors on each side of the pad, on each pads, and this is how it comes packaged. Now, obviously, we're always worried about how does it stack up against the OEM sensors, right? And the OEM sensors are going to be much more expensive than these, but these ones did the trick. So I installed them on my wife's Q7 a few weeks back. Haven't had a single issue with them. So I'm glad I bought them, and I will be putting the fronts on as soon as the fronts start indicating that they're starting to go. So if you guys are interested in picking up some wear sensors for your vehicle, these ones will probably do the trick. Hopefully you guys got value out of this video. Like I do in all my videos, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching another Smartips product review. As usual, you can find the product reviewed in this video in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, but it's at no added cost to you and it helps support my channel. If you got value out of this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you want to watch future videos from me, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.